Welcome one and all. This is Shomodeep Pudutundo here, back with national weather prediction of Pan India in next 3 days. Moving on to the latest satellite image observation, where we can see not a very strong western disturbance been influencing over north of India, that is Jammu Kashmir and adjoining areas will be having a light snowfall coverage, while other states of North India will see a gradual decrease in temperature. While moving on to the central India, the weather conditions will be quite calm over the places, while in case of northeast Indian sectors there will be isolated rainfall over upper Arunachal Pradesh and adjoining areas, while Tripura, Mizoram can see a very isolated less rainfall conditions in the upcoming days, while in South India spotty coverage of rainfall with light intensity will be seen over in the Telangana adjoining areas, while other parts of the South India will see a gradual more a temperature or maximum temperature coverage of 33 degrees Celsius approx will be seen in case of South Indian states. Moving on to the next part, that is for the weather conditions for the next 3 days in case of Pan India, we can see due to this western disturbance impact, there will be a cloudy condition over North India, while in South India and Central India, cloudy condition will be prevailing in upcoming 24 hours. While moving on to the next 24 hours, that is 48 hours conversion, where we can see a relative clear sky condition will be visible in case of North India and adjoining sectors, while in case of South India, there will be a cloudy condition in upcoming for 72 hours and a very impactful coverage of fog can be seen in case of 72 hours in case of northeast Bihar as well as in case of northern parts of West Bengal. Because of this impactful fog belt, visibility downfall will be occurring in these places, where visibility will be very much deteriorative in the next upcoming days, while UP will be also seeing or will be also captured through this foggy condition, while in case of Jodhpur adjoining areas will also see a foggy condition in upcoming 72 hours. Moving on to the next part, that is for the North Indian weather update, where North India will be seeing an isolated foggy condition with a partly sunny condition in the afternoon times, while isolated coverage of fog will be seen in the morning hours, and a clear night sky will be seen in case of upcoming 72 hours, while after 72 hours there will be more and more impactful fog in case of the morning hours in case of Uttar Pradesh and adjoining belt of total West Bengal, including West Bengal, Bihar. And while moving on to the next sector, that is the for 3 days overall status of the states of Delhi as 21 degrees Celsius as maximum temperature and 9 degrees Celsius with a clear sky condition will be seen, while in Srinagar a temperature of maximum 10 degrees Celsius and minimum 0 degrees Celsius with isolated rainfall coverage will be seen in case of Srinagar, while Shimla will be having a partly cloudy to sunny condition with 16 degree temperature as maximum and 8 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature, while Lucknow will be seeing a same condition that of Shimla, that is partly cloudy condition, while the temperature will be marked very high, that is 23 degrees Celsius as maximum and 9 degrees Celsius as minimum, while in case of Jaipur the temperature will be covering up to 24 degrees Celsius as maximum and 12 degrees Celsius as minimum with a sunny condition, while in case of Bhopal 25 degrees Celsius as maximum and 11 degrees Celsius as minimum will be recorded and a clear sky condition will be visible. Moving on to the next part, that is for the South India sector, as I said, a partly cloudy to sunny condition with very less rainfall will be seen in upcoming 24 hours in Nellore, while other states will remain calm in next 24 to 48 hours, while in subsequent 72 hours there will be more and more cloud coverage in the upper parts of the South India, which will be adjoining Karnataka, Telangana area, where there will be a coverage of total clouds, so a partly cloudy to sunny condition will be prevailing in the upper sectors, while in case of most southern parts, that is Madurai, Kochi area around, there will be a partly cloudy to sunny condition. Even this condition will be prevailing at the night times and as well as in the morning hours. Moving on to the city updates, if we see Visakhapatnam having 27 degrees Celsius as maximum and 17 degrees Celsius as minimum and clear sky condition will be seen in this case, while in Chennai 30 degrees Celsius as maximum, 20 degrees Celsius as minimum will be seen or observed, and partly sunny condition will be seen and cloudy condition will be also seen in case of Chennai. While in case of Bhubaneswar, we will be seeing a 26 degrees Celsius as maximum and 15 degrees Celsius as minimum, and a sunny condition will be visible. Bangalore will be seeing a same weather condition as that of Bhubaneswar, while in Mumbai will be seeing an average 32 degrees Celsius as maximum and 20 degrees Celsius as minimum with a clear sky condition. While Goa will be seeing a relatively higher temperature than that of Mumbai, that is 34 degrees Celsius as maximum and 20 degrees Celsius as minimum. Moving on to the eastern or northeastern sectors, where we can see in upcoming 24 to 48 hours, relatively low fog index will be visible, but after 72 hours, a relatively very major fog can be created in this sector, where we can see the overall sector will be covered with a rapid intensification of fog throughout the northeastern zone in upcoming 72 hours. As this movement will be visible in case of the morning hours and as well as at the night, for this coverage there will be a partly cloudy to sunny condition. Few places will be having total clouds throughout the morning hours, while in case of northeast a very aberrant type of climate may be produced because of this overcast condition. And while in case of the coastal belts of West Bengal, there will be no such visibility of fog or will be there in 72 hours, but the upper sectors of West Bengal will be seeing a very relatively high fog as compared to the Gangetic West Bengal. Moving on to the next part, that is with the city temperatures. While Kolkata is getting a 25 degrees Celsius as maximum and minimum as 13 degrees Celsius with a clear sky condition, while Patna is getting 21 degrees Celsius as maximum and 10 degrees Celsius as minimum with a clear sky condition, where Ranchi is getting 23 degrees Celsius as maximum and 10 degrees Celsius as minimum with a sunny condition. Whereas in case of Guwahati will be getting 25 degrees Celsius as maximum and 12 degrees Celsius as minimum, and there will be partly cloudy to sunny in this case. While in case of Imphal, that is getting a 23 degrees Celsius as maximum and 10 degrees Celsius as minimum with a partly cloudy to sunny condition. While in case of Gangtok, isolated overcast or specifically a partly cloudy to sunny condition will be seen with 18 degrees Celsius as maximum and 6 degrees Celsius as minimum being recorded or expected to being recorded. Moving on to the next part, that is for the next 3 days rainfall outcome possibilities. If you see, Rajasthan, Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand will be seeing a light rainfall coverage of 0 to 20 millimeter approx, while Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh will be seeing a heavy rainfall of 65 millimeter crossing because of the western disturbance, and because of this a relatively higher temperature will be seen in case of central India because of this weather event, while Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Kerala will be seeing a light rainfall of 0 to 20 millimeter respectively. Moving on to the next part, that is for the temperature. As I said, because of this western disturbance entry, a gradual marked increase in temperature or diurnal range of temperature value will be increasing up to 33 degrees Celsius in the coastline of Mumbai adjoining South India, while in case of the other parts of the coastline, that is Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, will be seeing in average 26 degrees Celsius temperature. The diurnal temperature is or the maximum temperature will be increasing in these days, while in case of the nighttime temperature, the northern India will be getting a lower night temperatures, while in case of South India will be getting an equable climatic condition, while in northeast a chill condition will be prevailing in the upcoming 24 to 48 hours. While in case of other parts of North India, Uttarakhand, specifically Uttarakhand and adjoining area will be also seeing a gradual low temperature or marked low temperature, while in case of moving on to the next part, that is for the lowest minimum latest temperature for last 24 hours been recorded as Zojila as minus 22 degrees Celsius, Nyoma with minus 16.2 degrees Celsius, Tabo with minus 14.7 degrees Celsius, Leh with minus 14.5 degrees Celsius, Padum with minus 13.6 degrees Celsius, Upsi with minus 12.6 degrees Celsius, which is quite a low temperature being recorded in this winter weather. Moving on to the next, that is for the weather alert for next 3 days in a possible combination of ground frost, fog, heavy rain and snowfall coverage, no risk and cold day basis. Cold day basis will be seen, or cold day will be seen in case of Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and adjoining states. While cold day and foggy condition both will prevail in the following states. While in case of Jammu Kashmir, heavy rainfall or snowfall will be seen because of the impact of the western disturbance, and a ground frost will be seen in overall northeastern states, which is a very warning thing for agriculture point of view also. Moving on to the next part, that is for more weather related information, please do subscribe our Facebook page and follow our YouTube channel. Thank you.